How to fix login error you can't use this feature right now problem on your Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix you can't use this feature right now error on your Facebook or Messenger. So let us get started. First, if you see this kind of error, what you'll need to do is open up a web browser. After you open it up, just go to facebook.com. After you open your Facebook here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to log into your Facebook account. Now I'm already logged in, and when you're trying to log in, what you'll then need to do is reset your password from the website itself, not from the app. After you reset your password from your website, simply go to your Facebook and then log in using that very password that you reset, and you will be able to log in into your Facebook and your Messenger like that. And it's really simple guys. All you need to do is reset your password from your web browser and then log in to your app. And that is basically it for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more.